What's up, guys? I'm Kadena with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm going to be covering a project that could have huge potential this bull run. If you guys enjoy this content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as usual, we're going to start off with a quick little Bitcoin update. And still, at this point, not a whole lot has changed for Bitcoin over my last several videos. I've been talking about how I think the cup and handle is still potentially intact. This would be the cup and this would be the handle. And as long as the handle does not lose this trend line, I'm still going to be bullish. And you can see right now that we've actually had a nice bounce. But what I really like to see for Bitcoin right now is that there was a bunch of wicks to the downside. That shows that there's a complete lack of sell pressure right now. We absolutely could continue to get a bounce. And after the Super Bowl, Bitcoin did bounce a little bit. It's up to 97,400. Now, when you look at Ethereum, it gets a little bit more interesting. The daily time frame doesn't look great, but I do want to point out the weekly on Ethereum. You can see that the weekly candle did still close above the 200-day moving average. And as of now, we are also still holding this trend line. In Ethereum's past, these have always been levels that we have bounced off of. For example, you can see right here, we retested the 200-day, we bounced, retested it, we bounced, retested it again, we bounced again. So don't be shocked at all if we see Ethereum start to get a very nice breakout. Now, in today's video, I'm not going to go super in depth into who is actually buying Ethereum behind the scenes, but if you guys are interested, watch some of my previous videos. I've been showing you guys BlackRock buying, I've been showing you guys Trump buying, Fidelity buying. A lot of the big money is loading up on Ethereum right now. And naturally, if Ethereum breaks out, that's going to be very bullish for the entire Ethereum ecosystem. Just understand that. If you look at the meme coin market right now, it's very hit or miss. A lot of meme coins are actually starting to show green over the last week, but that's because it just refreshed that 7-day period. As of yesterday, a lot of these projects were down 20 or 30%. But regardless, we still see a lot of red, like Dog with Hat, for example, down 11.7%, Pudgy Penguin, 16%. There's a lot of red in the market right now, which is also part of what makes the project I'm covering today so bullish. If you guys have not heard of this project yet, it's called Nitro. And you can see that it's currently sitting at a $2.76 million market cap. And I want to be clear, I have not actually covered this project individually yet. But if you guys have been watching my content, I have actually called out Nitro several times in the past. For example, this was one of my Hoppy videos. I talked about it at the end of the video. I'll play a little clip so you can see. But we have a great community of gem hunters here. For example, one of my members to gym called out Nitro at a 29K market cap, and yesterday it ran over 1 million. So you can see I was talking about it here, and I'm going to show you guys in the Discord. This is part of the reason that I always hype up my Discord to you guys. It has grown into something much larger than me. We have a lot of very talented individuals. Again, you can see right here, he called Nitro on January 5th at a 29K market cap. So if you guys had gotten into Nitro at this time, you guys could be up over a 130x. And I want to be transparent about Nitro. I personally do not hold this project. However, I'm making this video today because a lot of my community loves this project. And I won't lie, I have been very impressed with it as well. I want to show you guys the daily time frame on Nitro real quick. So if you look at the daily time frame, you can see that it actually looks very strong. This project just continues to push and push and push. You can see that it actually had formed a little bit of a cup and handle, and then the handle broke to the upside. If you compare this to charts like Pepe and you compare it to charts like Turbo, it looks significantly better. Pepe and Turbo are both bleeding right now. But I also want to be transparent of the reason I did not invest in this project to begin with. So if you come over to the Nitro holders, you can see that there's a wallet that holds 7.1% of the Nitro supply. This is a massive wallet, and this is the main reason I did not ever buy Nitro to begin with. If you actually click on this wallet right now, you can see that they hold a significant amount of Nitro, almost $200,000 worth. And I'll be honest with you guys, this is a very dangerous amount to hold for a project that's under a $3 million market cap. And naturally, the higher that Nitro climbs, the more dangerous it becomes. I want to be clear about that. You have to understand the risks with this project. All of that being said, though, this wallet has not made a single Nitro transaction after purchasing it. You can see that they initially purchased it 37 days ago. They purchased 4 different times. Again, they have not made a single sell since then. And that includes when Nitro had its first run up right here, and it ran to close to a $4 million market cap. So that shows that the wallet is clearly willing to hold, but it does not change the fact that it is still dangerous. Now, the other thing that I want to point out for Nitro right now is the Bubblemaps. So if you guys look at the Bubblemaps, I'll be honest with you, it doesn't look great because there's a 20% cluster. I wish it didn't appear like this on the Bubblemaps, but from my understanding, it's connected with the team and the marketing wallet. But But yet again, this is something to keep in mind. But if we come over and we look at the Nitro X account, they're doing everything that I like to see. They're posting on here multiple times, and they actually have other influencers who are talking about them as well, which is also very bullish. In general, though, Nitro is a very marketable character. And I cannot stress this enough. What I love to see right now is the strength that Nitro is showing. Nitro's chart is just continuing to pump and pump and pump. And the thing is, Nitro has been doing this during a downtrend. Again, we look at Ethereum, it's just been bleeding. This is the weekly time frame. So ETH has been bleeding for months and Nitro has been pumping. And I also want to be clear about this yet again because I might have scared some of you guys off with the 7% holder. Do understand that if this wallet does sell, I'm not saying that Nitro is going to die. In fact, it actually would be very good if he sold for distribution purposes. So don't sit here and think that the project is guaranteed to die. I just wanted to put this out here so that you guys understand that there's a chance Nitro could get nuked for a period of time. But again, it's absolutely possible that Nitro could survive this. It would help with distribution. But yeah, to be completely honest with you guys, I have been nothing but impressed with this project. I already talked about my Discord earlier in the video, but if you guys are interested, I have 3 different tiers. We've been making massive gains the entire bull run. As a lot of you guys know, my Discord's only 1 year old and we've already called 6 different projects that have done over a 200x. These are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is something that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're truly building an amazing community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Nitro will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.